So over here, you can see that I have a video project right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and delete it. In that case, you can simply go around onto the file menu. And here you can see that move to trash is an option. So what you can simply do is move it to trash, and then it says file move to trash. You can take it out directly right here out of the trash and restore it out as well. And then it gets restored. But let's say, for example, you went ahead and moved it to trash right here, just like this. Then what happens is that the project file that you have in your Google Drive moves into trash. And let's say you don't have a way to recover it right here. Just like this. So now what you can simply do is in Google Drive, you can go around onto the trash section, and here you can see this out right here. So you can simply go ahead right here and delete this forever from the Google Drive trash, or you can simply go ahead and restore it. And then what happens is that the file gets restored right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and delete out your project file if you don't need them, and recover them out as well inside of Google Vids. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.